revered Secretary Mataji, revered Principal Mataji, other Matajis of the ashram, my fellow teachers and dear students. Good morning and a very warm welcome to you all. Today, we have gathered here to celebrate our 76th Republic Day of India. I request our Principal Mataji to share her thoughts on this significant day.
Most revered Secretary Mataji, teachers and my dear children, Namaskar and a happy Republic Day to all of you. Today is a day of joy and pride for our dear country. It was on this very day, January 26, 1950, that our constitution came into effect, making India a democratic republic where every person, no matter who they are, has the right to live freely and with dignity. Children, do you know what this means? It means that every Indian, whether rich or poor, big or small, has the same rights and responsibilities. Our constitution is like a rule book that teaches us how to live together in harmony, respecting each other and build a stronger nation. As young citizens of India, you have a very special role to play. Children, when I look at you, I see the future of this country, bright, energetic and full of hope. You may be small today, but remember, even the tiniest seed grows into a mighty tree. Similarly, your small efforts today will shape a better future for our country tomorrow. Children, always remember that freedom comes with responsibilities. It is our duty to respect our country and do everything that is best for it. How can you do this? By being kind, honest and hardworking, by keeping your surroundings clean, by respecting the national flag and singing the national anthem with pride. Children, Swami Vivekananda often said, "Arise, awake and stop not till the goal is reached." Let this be your mantra too. Whatever you dream of becoming, a teacher, a scientist, a doctor or an artist, remember that you are working not just for yourself but also for your country. As we salute our national flag today, let's promise to be good citizens who care for each other and our country. Together, let us build a nation that our freedom fighters would be proud of. On this Republic Day, let us carry forward the spirit of unity, diversity and progress. Always remember, you are India's greatest treasure and the future of this great nation lies in your tiny hands. Happy Republic Day once again. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Mataji, for your insightful and very inspiring words. Next, we have Tanishka Yadav of grade KG, who will recite a heartfelt English poem. Let's welcome her with a big round of applause.
Our India, our pride. Oh India, our motherland so grand. United we stand, hand in hand. On Republic Day, we cheer with glee for the land of brave and land of free. The tricolor flutters high in the sky, a symbol of dreams that soar and fly. Justice and liberty, our guiding light. With truth and courage, we shine so bright. Dear India, may you always thrive. In every heart, you are alive. Let's salute this nation, strong and free. Our India, our pride for eternity. Thank you.
What a beautiful poem. Thank you, Tanishka, for reminding us of the greatness of our nation through your heartfelt words. Now, let's celebrate the spirit of patriotism with a mesmerizing dance performance by Joyita Das, set to the Sanskrit version of the patriotic song Sare Jahan Se Acha.
हि भारतमस्मदीयं मदीयं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यं हि भारतमस्मदीयं बुलबुल है न सर्वे देशासु भारतमस्मदीयमदीयं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम्। पर्वतो हि सर्वोच्चः विहाय सशिराशचुम्बी। पर्वतो हि सर्वोच्चः विहाय सशिराशचुम्बी। स्वाप्रहरिणः सुवीरः सुसैनिकास्मदीयमदीया सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम्। हि भारतमस्मदीयमदीयं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम्। क्रोडे च क्रीडारता नद्यः सहस्रधाराः। क्रोडे च क्रीडारता नद्यः सहस्रधाराः। सपुष्टप्राणैः सनीरैः स्वर्गानिदं मुदितं मुदितं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम्। हि भारतमस्मदीयमदीयं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम्। धर्मस्य मेन शिक्षा वैरिताना विधेया। धर्मस्य मेन शिक्षा वैरिताना विधेया। हिन्दिः वयं हिन्दिः वयं हिन्दिः वयं स्वभूमि। भारतमस्मदीयमदीयं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम्। हि भारतमस्मदीयमदीयं सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम्। सर्वलोकेषु रम्यम्। हि भारतमस्मदीयम्।
Thank you, Joyita, for such a graceful performance. It truly evoked the essence of national pride. Now, Akshat will present a patriotic Hindi poem. Let us hear him.
गौरव मेरा भारत महान, जहाँ बसी है सच्ची पहचान। गणतंत्र दिवस का पर्व है आया, न्याय और स्वतंत्रता का दीप जलाया। 3 रंगों का तिरंगा प्यारा, देशभक्ति का गीत हमारा। शक्ति प्रेम और बलिदान, यही है भारत की सच्ची शान। आओ मिलकर करें ये प्रण, सजाएंगे भारत का हर आंगन। जय हिंद जय भारत का नारा, हम सबका भारत सबसे प्यारा।
Thank you, Akshat, for those stirring lines. Your words have filled our hearts with renewed love for our country. Moving forward, we have a melodious group song, जिस धरती पर जन्म लिया, performed by the talented students of grade 4 and 5. Let us enjoy their performance. What a wonderful rendition. Thank you, students, for this beautiful tribute to our motherland. Now, let's welcome Aditi for another captivating dance performance, accompanied by patriotic song Desh Mere.
हो देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा है अर्ज़े दीवाने की जहाँ मोर सुहाने देखे एक रोज वही मेरी शाम कभी याद करे जो ज़माना माटी पे मर मिट जाना जिक्र में शामिल मेरा नाम ओ देश मेरे तेरी शान पे सदके कोई धन है क्या तेरी धूल से बढ़ के तेरी धूप से रोशन तेरी हवा पे जिंदा तू बाग है मेरा मैं तेरा परिंदा आंचल तेरा रहे माँ रंग बिरंगा ऊंचा आसमां से हो तेरा तिरंगा आंचल तेरा रहे माँ रंग बिरंगा ऊंचा आसमां से हो तेरा तिरंगा जीने की इजाजत दे दे या हुक्म शहादत दे दे मंजूर हमें जो भी तू चुने रेशम का हो मधुशाला या कफन सिपाही वाला ओढ़ेंगे हम जो भी तू बने
Thank you, Aditi, for such an energetic and emotional performance. It was truly mesmerizing. Finally, let us unite our voices in harmony as the students perform a group song, Ekta Swatantrata Samanta Rahe.
देश में चरित्र की महानता रहे महानता रहे एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे देश में चरित्र की महानता समानता रहे, देश में चरित्र की महानता रहे, महानता रहे, एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे, देश में चरित्र की महानता रहे, महानता रहे, एकता स्वतंत्रता समानता रहे.
Thank you, children, for this melodious conclusion to our cultural program. I extend my heartfelt thanks to Principal Mataji, teachers, performers, and participants for making this event memorable. Now, I request everyone to stand and take positions for National Anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता. पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा, द्राविड उत्कल गंगा, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा, उच्चल जलधि तरंगा. तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मागे, गाहे तव जय गाथा. जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे, भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे, जय हे, जय हे, जय 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 हे.
Thank you everyone for being a part of this celebration. Jai Hind.